Everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video we'll be showing you guys how to use your stitch option in your TikTok video. If you guys are having trouble with using the stitch option on your TikTok video, you are not alone. This issue is more common than you might think, but don't worry, I'll be walking you through some super easy steps to use it. So let's get started. Go ahead and open your TikTok app and then go to share option. Then scroll to the right and click on the stitch
This
option.
video is for Aliana Caligat.
Now you can adjust the clips to whichever part you want, and then you can stitch the video in this way. Now you can add your part and you can give reviews about the video and whatever you want to do with this stitch option. I hope this video helped you guys use stitch option in a proper way, and yeah, if it did, let me know in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up and do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.